I'm Bob Roberts here. I'm in the northern forests of Canada. It's bitter cold out here, but I think we're gonna make it okay. Thanks for joining us on Dudes vs. Nature here. Alright, I need a walking stick because it helps me walk. Now what you need is sturdy oak, and it shouldn't be flimsy at all, so here we go. Perfect. Hello, here it's morning in Canada and I need breakfast. So what I do is find some of these berries right here, and I have absolutely no contact with human beings right now or food, so I will have to just check and see if they're ripe enough. Now this is what you call the wetlands. Lots of alligators and birds and more birds and alligators and whatnot. But this is where I stop and have a drink of water. Yeah, it's very hydrating. In several days, I trekked over 800 miles in search of a suitable living condition. I finally came across a pleasant hollow just over a hill crest. Alright. Here's where I will most likely be spending the night, in this lovely bank. So what I'm going to do is gather a bunch of logs and sticks and branches and build me a little home. After arduous work, I managed to construct my shelter. Looks perfect. Comfy. What do we have here? Looks as if it's venomous and thorn-like. It's a venomous thorn tree. That's what it is. Very venomous and deadly. It's very, very deadly. Even the slightest poke on the skin can cause major damage and paralysis. So we want to be very, 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 very careful. May I stress that? Very careful. All right. Oh God. Oh. Water, give me water. Now sometimes you get very, very bored when you're trying to survive on your own. So sometimes it calls for some entertainment. Hello. If you haven't noticed, it's nighttime and I'm very exhausted from today. What I'm going to do is try and find some shelter since I'm so exhausted, which is kind of a problem because I'm utterly afraid of the dark. So, let's go. Okay, I'm starting to get really freaked out now. Did you hear that? I was knocked unconscious and whisked away by a strange mythical creature, possibly a Yeti. I woke up, I don't know how many days later, in the Rockies. Hello, it's me, Bob, again, and I seem to be stranded in Colorado, and I've lost count of days. All I have is a Snickers bar to eat, and there's lots of wilderness, so I don't know what I'm going to do.